The force holding the universe apart is weakening. Scientists mapped 14 million galaxies to confirm it. And the man who discovered dark energy just said, this is the best news he's heard in 25 years. Because if this continues, the universe doesn't end in darkness. It collapses. In 1998, scientists discovered something that changed everything. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating. Something is pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. They called it dark energy. Nobody knew what it was. They still don't. But for 25 years, the working assumption was that it was constant, a fixed property of space itself, Einstein's cosmological constant, stable, permanent, eternal. That assumption just broke. The Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument, DESI, spent 4 years mapping the universe. 14 million galaxies and quasars, the largest 3D map of the cosmos ever constructed. 900 researchers from 70 institutions pointing 5,000 robotic fiber optic positioners at the sky simultaneously. Each one accurate to 1/10 of the width of a human hair. They weren't just mapping galaxies, they were tracing how dark energy has behaved across 11 billion years of cosmic history. What they found broke the standard model. Dark energy is not constant. It was stronger in the past. And it's weakening. Slowly, but measurably. The statistical significance hit 3.9 sigma, approaching the threshold physicists call definitive. When they combined DESI's data with supernova measurements, gravitational lensing maps, and the cosmic microwave background, the signal got stronger. The man who coined the term dark energy, Michael Turner, called it, "The best news I've heard since cosmic acceleration was firmly established 20 years ago." Adam Rees, who won the Nobel Prize for discovering dark energy, said it may be the first real clue about its nature in 25 years. Here is what a weakening dark energy means for the universe. The standard model predicted heat death, an infinite, silent, perfectly cold expansion where stars burn out, black holes evaporate, and everything drifts apart forever in the dark. That was the ending we thought we were heading for. But if dark energy keeps weakening, that changes. The expansion slows, stops, and then, possibly, reverses. Scientists are now using the word sucky. Their word, not mine. Dark energy could go from pushing the universe apart to pulling it back together. The big crunch. Not an ending of cold silence, an ending of violent collapse. Everything that ever existed compressed back into a single point. Is it definitive? Not yet. DESI scientists are careful. They say more data is needed. 5 years of observations are being analyzed now. But the signal is there, and it keeps getting stronger with every new data set they add. Durham University professor Carlos Frank said, if DESI's hints are right, our earlier understanding of the universe goes out the window. Not revised, not updated, out the window. And the people most excited about this? The physicists. Because if dark energy isn't constant, it becomes something we can understand, something we can find, something that has a why. Heat death or big crunch? Which ending would you pick? Drop heat death or big crunch below? I reply to every comment on Cosmic Pulse. Follow Cosmic Pulse. Every week, one more thing the universe is doing that nobody told you about. Next short. A black hole just fired jets with the power of 10,000 suns. And we just measured it for the first time using a telescope the size of Earth.